Good morning, students. Welcome to another art session. Today, our topic is going to be Worli art. It is a traditional tribal art. Okay. In this, the figures they are very different kind of figures. We use geometrical shapes to make them. I will be giving you a demonstration on these figures, how the human figures were made, or animals were made, or the trees were made during those times. Alright, so let's begin. When you have to make a human figure in this particular art, it is very simple. Simply make X. Okay. This this thing shows that it is a figure of a woman. Okay, then these are the arms. Such simple figures are used in this painting. Okay, this is how we show a woman. Now if we have to make a male figure, similar, you'll use an X as in two triangles. The difference is in the head. It's simple circle. That's it. So this is a female figure, this is a male figure. You have to actually color them, they are completely black. I'm using a sketch pen because this will be your beginning for you. But afterwards, what I want you to do is, after you have practiced a bit, I want you to do this in painting colors. You can take up posters, color. You can use your pastel sheets, colored pastel sheets, maybe reds, browns, or maroon. These kind of colors, and on top of that, you can use your white poster color to paint. If you don't have white poster color, you can use black, but then you can change the color of the sheet. Okay, similarly I'm going to color this also. So this is a male and female. Now I will show you how they used to make huts. During those times they didn't have their pakka houses, like the ones we have. They had huts. So how they used to build these, make them. This is a ladder. Now a tree, maybe a small tree, I can show you that. This curvy line, okay. It is very easy and a very fun way of doing the drawing. One is this, the other could be like this. Now in this also, just imagine, I'll use a pencil. I'm going to, this tree used to be like, they used to make it like this. Now inside, two types of trees that were done, still people make these two, and also something like this. I'll make a very small, a coconut tree, something like this. Now what I want you to do is make one Wurley painting using these figures. Something like this. And for land, what they used to do, like suppose these are standing, these figures. So for land, they have to show, they will make lines like this. So what is Wurley painting? The subject matter of these Wurley paintings was day-to-day life. They used to show dancing figures or people working in the farms, or ladies sitting outside their houses, something like this. Very simple subjects, nothing difficult. So I will be making, since I have shown you this, now I will be doing one more drawing, okay, in which I will be showing you, I will be creating one picture for you using the same figures, okay. So as you can see, I have prepared this scene. So in this I have used a different kind of tree, like this. It's very simple to draw and it is more elegant, you can say. I made this cloud. So here I have this hut and a little tree. Musicians are sitting here and there are women dancing around. Okay, I have shown one well also. Now I want to draw this wavy line which will indicate that this is land. Okay, so my scene is done. You can add as many elements as you want, but I think I will stop here. This was just to show you the how I will add different figures in this in a composition. Now I want to see your attempts using different figures and trees and other elements, and I want to see a composition from your end. Let's see how well you can draw. Okay, it is a very simple composition and a very simple very easy actually to create something. It's a very easy art form, you can say. Okay, so thank you. See you next week.